Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over a very popular combo of two very popular memes, Ghibli Mubarak. Those were both very popular tokens on the Binance Smart Chain. This is also a BEP20 token starting their pre-sale right now. This token has a full audit. It's trending in the top 5 right now on Pinksale. I am going to leave a link to this pre-sale pinned to the top of the comment section and also in the description box so you guys can go check this token out. Ticker symbol is G Mubarak. And we're going to go over the information on this token and also talk about how you can get it after the pre-sale is over as well. We're going to do all that in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token just recently got put into the launchpad list on pinksale.finance. I am going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual so you guys can easily find this project. It is at Ghibli_Mubarak, and I could be pronouncing either one of those names or both of them wrong for all I know. Contract address is right on the Twitter right there. You can see it there, but you're not going to be able to use that yet because this token is live for pre-sale. And like I said, I'm putting the link pinned to the top of the comment section and in the description box so you guys can easily find this project. You can see they have a big following, 5,765 followers, 140 tweets. Has a link to their Telegram right there, G Mubarak BSC, and their webpage, gmubarak.com. You can find it all on the Twitter there. If you go to the Pinksale page, you can also find the full audit and definitely review full audits before investing in anything. Their Telegram, G Mubarak BSC, has 108 subscribers. You could also preview the channel before joining. But that's going to be a great place to see updates, announcements, memes, all that fun stuff, just like the Twitter. So their pre-sale is starting right now. This token here also has, it says here, G Mubarak will be listing on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. There will be a fast track to those. There's going to be a marketing team, no team tokens. Liquidity pool will be locked for 365 days. No tax, so that means like if you buy or sell this token after the pre-sale, you don't have to worry about slippage. Audited contract, big marketing plans, renounced contract since its creation. Launch will be 24 hours right after the pre-sale ends, and they're going to be using a Akatsuki incubation. So max buy is 0.5 BNB, so they're not even allowing any sort of whales to purchase like even a full BNB worth of tokens. So that's good because if somebody owns too many tokens and then after the pre-sale they sell off, that kind of creates like a pump and dump. So the 18 decimal places on this token, there is a total supply of 420 trillion tokens. Initial market cap estimate is right now, well, the pre-sale is just about to start. It's very small right now. But soft cap is 5 BNB and there is no hard cap. So basically, once the pre-sale starts, it's just going to go until time ends. There's no hard cap. Sometimes if there's a hard cap, the pre-sale will end before the time ends. But this is only a 24-hour pre-sale, so just be aware of that. And it starts exactly kind of like when this video gets uploaded, but it only goes for 24 hours, starts exactly April 13th, 10 a.m. UTC time, and goes until April 14th, 10 a.m. UTC time. And then it says, so if you missed the pre-sale and you're looking to get the token still, 24 hours after the pre-sale's over, this token will go over to PancakeSwap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there. And liquidity will be locked for 365 days. So, first of all you'd have to do to get the pre-sale, if you're watching this video in the first day or so, while the pre-sale is still going, all you'd have to do to get the pre-sale, first of all, you'd need a wallet, like a Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet. You'd fund that wallet with BNB. Now, you could do that from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with BNB. You'd go into the dApps, or you go into the dApps. Sorry, you'd go right through that link in the description box and pin to the top of the comment section for the pre-sale. You'd connect your wallet to the page. You'd punch in how much BNB you want to spend. You click purchase. When the pre-sale is over, you claim your tokens. Now, if you miss the pre-sale, you do all the same steps, except you don't click on the pre-sale link. If you're watching this way after the pre-sale is over, it has to be at least 24 hours after the pre-sale is over. You'd go into the dApps, you'd find PancakeSwap, and then using the contract address you could find right there on their Twitter, you would trade your BNB for this token. You won't have to set slippage. It says 0% tax. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees, and that's about it. But you do have to wait until the liquidity pool is filled, so just be aware of that. Their token allocation pie chart is pretty straightforward. It says 60.26% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 29.19% of the tokens go to liquidity, and 10.54% go to central exchange listings. So it says this token will be listed on central exchanges. There's a quick audit by Solid Proof in the on the Pinksale page. If you scroll to the bottom, it says no mint function found. Owner cannot set max total amount. Owner cannot set fees over 25%. Cannot pause trading. Cannot blacklist. All good check marks on there. So Ghibli, the Ghibli of crypto, your path to digital wonder. Welcome to the world of G Mubarak, where Ghibli-inspired whimsy meets crypto innovation. Born from the vision of creating a token that embodies the spirit of wonder and prosperity, this token brings you the perfect blend of fantasy and technology. It's going to be secure and verified, lightning fast, and there's going to be premium benefits. They have a bunch of partners on their webpage. And yeah, so no tax, contract renounced. They do have a how to buy on their webpage too if you get stuck trying to get it off PancakeSwap later. But as of now, if you're watching this video in the first 24 hours, check out the pre-sale link in the description box and pinned to the top of the comment section. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.